happened since that last review session. So I'm trying to figure out how I want to divide you guys. What's up? Can you work in your group? I'm going to split up a couple. Because we only need 5, so we have 1, 2, 3, so we have 6. So I'm going to need to split up a couple groups. So I'll have you guys stay a group of 2. Can I get Erica in this group and then Chevelle in this group? Yeah, just move over to the table. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the rules of the game again, in case you guys don't remember it. Make sure they'll be everything that you like talk about. Okay. So pretty much there's going to be 5 math centers. So each math center focuses on the lessons that we learned this week. And I sort of grouped them, you know, like the problems from like the first center will be like kind of the first 3 lessons, like give or take, maybe 1 lesson. So you'll sort of work up. But each, there will be I'll give each table, you know, 1 sheet that will be in a transparency. And so you don't want to write on that sheet. I'll give you some paper at each table. Or also, actually, you can just do the work on the back of your do now sheet, and that'll be fine. And you're going to work together as a group. We don't want you splitting up the problems. You're going to try to figure it out. You're going to have 6 minutes per station to sort of figure out the answer to all the problems. Then at the end of the 6 minutes, I'm going to end the time, and I'm going to give you each the answer sheet for your various station, and you're going to check over your answers. And at the end of each round, your group will give me your score, and we'll keep it up on the board. Then after that time, the whole group will like move to a new table, and you'll complete the next station. Does anyone have any questions? You guys played this before, right? So everyone remembers it. All right, cool. All right, I'm gonna hand these out. I've got 2 for each table. Don't start until I give you. Don't start until I'm telling you to. All right, so just do your work on the back of the do now sheet, and I'm gonna be walking around and make sure everyone's writing down work, right? So like, if someone else is figuring out the problem and you're just kind of following along, make sure you're listening, make sure you're writing it down. I don't want to see anyone just sitting around and not really working on the problems or thinking about it critically. And also I'll be walking around checking on that. Okay, so I'm going to start my stopwatch on here. All right, you guys ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Make sure, alright, so remember, what do the diagonals do to each other? Right. So, think about that, right? You got FH is that, right? UH is that. Well, are they equal to each other then? See if FH is there, UH is there. It wouldn't be equal, right? Think a little bit more, yeah, think a little more of what the relationship to is. What's up? Well, I'm not gonna help you too much in these competitions, but I'll give you a little hint. So like, do you remember how many, like, think about how many degrees are in a quadrilateral, right? Yeah. Think about that, right? And you got all those measurements, right?
This distance, say this wasn't an X anymore, say it was just 3. So let's say it's a triangle. And it's split in 2. This section right here is 10. And this section here is 3. What would be the whole length of this segment? 13. And how did you get that? You added. So now, what we're doing is taking X. And plus, because you added it, right? You added that. So it's not just X. You gotta put it with that 10 by adding. Good, and now you can do your big over middle or little bit. You're starting to take over middle, so what's the corresponding side of that? On this little triangle. Think about it, so A, corresponding side is just a smaller version of it. Because that is from A to B. No, it's just from A to B.
Well, you gotta remember the area formula for the rhombus.
Pretty big.
So it's gonna, that's not gonna be it, but yeah, look back through your notes. I think Miss Ballard taught that. Oh, she gave you on that. All right, you guys have like about 30 seconds to try to finish up the problem you're working on, and then I'll hand out.
Pencils are over here, always, on this table. And check with each other that you have
All right, time. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hand out the answer sheets. You're going to have about a minute to check your answers. Yeah, I'll give you what you know.
0. And what is that? What is the what is this? What is it?
You need more paper?
Now, let's just include determine what x, that makes it easier. So you got your views over there, all you have to do is solve that. See that? The part that makes the question harder.
How big are you right? Right, you need to stretch smaller. Here's some scrap paper on here if you guys run out of paper.
Oh, they used to.
Okay, James, how many questions did your group get right? You what? You didn't get any of them right? So you didn't even name that one shape? Alright, guys, have to go. Alright. Thank you for being honest. Alright, CK. How many questions did your group get right?
0.
Alright. Serious, how many did you guys 0, right?
Yay.
Alright. Alright, Juwan. You got 2? Alright. Alright, Erica. And Caleb? 3. Alright. So we're gonna go ahead and rotate. If you were group 1, you go to group 2 to group 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. Alright, and these problems are pretty much all pulled from your exit tickets from the past couple days. So if you're not getting a lot of these questions right, make sure you're kind of going back and reviewing because we don't want to forget a lot of stuff we've been learning, right? You're going to session 4. Or, hey, you guys are supposed to go to 3. You're at 4. All right. Start in 1, 2, 3. Go. Yeah, if you need to take out your notes from the past lessons, go ahead and do that if you're getting stuck on them. You want to sit? What's up? You up? Why do you want it? Why do you feel like it? You have a headache? Alright, you can at least go over there and follow along. What? You're good now. Yeah, make sure you're following along with it there.
There you have this segment right here is the head. that's just a number, then it makes
Think about it. If the tire's rotating, right? Would that make sense to use area? Because what's the area? Like, what's the area of shape? What's it asking?
You can just make it easier by replacing it with numbers.
Right, like everything inside it, right? So if you're thinking about a wheel turning, is that measuring like what's inside the shape, or what is that measuring? Right, the rotation. So what's something else besides the area of the circle that sort of measures like the outside, like the rotation of the circle? It's on your due now. Yes or no?
What do we know in the second? What is this also? So what is it combined? So now, what do we do next? Yeah, we cross one time. What do we need to set up? Big over little. Yeah, ratio. The ratio, yeah, set up that ratio. Good job.
What do those diagonals do to each other? What does the word? Yeah. So what does that mean again? Yeah, talk about what bicep means. You guys have like a little bit over a minute. You can figure it out. Yeah, right here, so like UH is that way. FH is that way. What's that look like to you? Yeah, like, yeah. UH right here, and then FH. It gives you UH and then FH, so you just do that visually. Yeah, yeah. All right, you got about 30 seconds left. Finish up the problem you're working on. All right, you got 1 minute to go ahead and check your answers. It should be still on there. Yeah, it should be right there.
It's hard for us to see which side is.
Did y'all find your answer here? Where are you at now? You said what? Oh, you got it.
I'm making sure that it lines up with.
All right. James, how many questions y'all got right? One. CK? Juwan? Erica? And then Caleb? 1, 2. All right, go ahead and rotate to the next one.
And then once we like push that a lot of geometry is just another way to research yourself.
All right, get ready to start in 1, 2, 3, go.
I'm not doing angles. Yeah, I need to hammer that home to you guys. The kind of question here is, what would you do first? Yeah. You guys do that? What would you do first? You see that little one that's like right on top of the and then look, yeah, we'll do that. That's a 7. No. That's a 14. Yeah. Yeah, you had to. Okay, this is how I described it to you last year. What we need is, we have, but it's kind of confusing, is AB. So we know that AB is 10. So we know that's 10. But we know that AD is X. We're not just looking for the base, we're looking for the size. Say you're given a triangle, and you know that this segment is 10. And you know this little bottom is 3. How big is this whole thing? 13, where did you get that? So, when you have 10 and X, 10 plus X. A lot of people do that on your X. Let's see, like, if you just replace it with a number, how much it makes sense now. You just add it. This is the
Third one of them.
yeah, so that
Oh, there's
whole
2 in each
thing
table.
is X.
Yeah.
Now you can set up your now you know that AD is that. AD is not just 10. It's not just that. So now set up your ratio.
Find out what C is, you gotta know the other two, what the other two are.
You can see that because we more of the triangles in the way that you can see it. See how it
So
is?
how would you have?
So when you set that ratio, it's, you're gonna do big over the
What's
little.
what's that?
So what would you do? What would the first, the top? Over what font?
Yeah, that's 110. What do you do that one?
The what? I think you gotta put it right.
So you subtract 110 from the total.
What's gonna go underneath this? 10, yeah.
Cause it's equal to this whole as well, right?
Take
This
out
whole
this
is equal to
side,
this.
on this side. They're not equal, because one's small, but they correspond.
So I look at it, I think of it this way, you said 110 is 180, right? Drop to zero.
Yeah.
So 180 is going to drop to zero. 180. Drop to zero off 180. 180, drop to 180, that's 180, that's 18, right? 110, drop to 0, that's 11. Now for 18,
This
that's
side
11.
corresponds to this side.
What's that?
What you said you could do.
Alright, bring the zero back. So it's 7. Yeah, 7. And how many x's did you have? So it's a total of 3x, right? So 3x equals 7. Cool. What do you guys need? Minus of what? X is about 7, about 3. Nice. Okay.
All right, you guys got 30 seconds left. Go ahead and finish up the last problem you're working on.
Take care of it. Yeah, that is right. You had it right first. There we go. 7. Okay. So 23 is a change, right? 20 is what was the question? The question was.
All right, go ahead and flip over the answer sheet on your table and check your work. You got like a minute to do that.
So what do you have to do with this 23, 24? We'll see it. What do you have to do with that? It's 20 plus X. Use that.
He has to write it up. Equals 70 plus 7x. Yeah, that's.
43, you just take it first out.
What was it asking for?
Okay. So, just keep it in there.
So now we know x equals 7.
So you know what you are. And then that's on that. You have to test on your grant. So you gotta take these opportunities when they come.
Love it.
All right, James, how much y'all get?
So it's one because
It's a team effort.
Yep.
All right. CK, how much you all get?
3.
3. Juwan? Erica? You said 2?
Yeah.
All right. Caleb?
12.
What? Oh, they said that. Yeah, that table that Caleb's at has 4 questions on it, so you all have a chance to get that 4 question paper in case anyone's wondering about the fairness of it. You'll rotate to that table. So, all right. So go ahead and rotate to the next table. Flip over the answer sheet if you can on your way out.
Then you have to plug it back in.